Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learningbits. As we have less time for preparation for DSC, so I thought to read out all the important points instead of writing in a book for quick revision. So please focus by reading aloud or by listening also. We can remember the points in a lesson. We no need to remember like a theory, just important points or bits are enough to get good marks. So today I am starting with 7th class science, so please support me by subscribing my channel and giving a like to my videos. So remember that I am reading only important points for quick revision. So first lesson, food components. Food supplies the energy we need to do many tasks in our day-to-day activities. Our food consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Besides this, water and fibers are also present in our food. The components present in the food substances can be tested easily through simple experiments. So here they have given here the process how to test for starch. So before that we have to prepare dilute iodine solution. So they have given here preparation of dilute iodine solution. So take a test tube or a cup, add few drops of iodine crystals to it, then dilute it with water till it becomes light yellow or brown. So what they have taken here, they have taken here iodine crystals in a test tubes and they have added water to it, okay, until it becomes yellow or brown. So we have to take a sample of food item in the test tube and add few drops of dilute iodine solution to the sample. So if the substance turns dark blue or black color, it contains starch. So this proves the presence of starch in it. And here they have given here the process to test for protein. So to test for protein, we need preparation of 2% copper sulfate solution and 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. So to make 2% copper sulfate solution, dissolve 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water. And to make 10% of sodium hydroxide solution, dissolve 10 grams of sodium hydroxide in 100 ml of water. So if we need 2% copper sulfate solution, 2 grams of copper sulfate we have to take it. And if we need 10 grams of sodium hydroxide solution, 10% if we need, we have to take 10 grams of sodium hydroxide solution in 100 ml of water. So 1 gram of sodium hydroxide equals to 6 pellets of sodium hydroxide. So you remember this, 1 gram of sodium hydroxide is equal to 6 pellets of sodium hydroxide. So if the substance we wish to test, it is a solid, we have to grind it into a powder or paste. And we have to take a pinch in a test tube and we have to add 10 drops of water to it and we have to stir it. Stir it means we have to mix it well. And from this we have to take 10 drops of this solution in a clean test tube and add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution, and we have to shake the test tube. So if the solution turns violet color or purple color, it confirms the presence of protein. So this is a test to prove whether the proteins are present in the food item or not. In rice, carbohydrates are more, whereas in oils, fats are present in more quantity. Growing children and adolescents need more protein containing food like meal, meat, pulses, etc. We also need minute quantities of some other components called as vitamins and minerals to keep us healthy. Now we shall learn roughages or dietary fibers. There are some components of food that are necessary for our body called roughages or dietary fibers. So these roughages helps to get rid of undigested food from our intestine, and also roughages helps in reducing of colon cancer. Roughages are a kind of carbohydrates that our body fails to digest. They help in free bowel movement in the digestive tract and prevent constipation. The sources of roughages are bran. Bran means it is the outer part of the wheat. It is also known as husk. So bran, shredded wheat, cereals, fruit and vegetables, sweet and plain potato, peas and berries, pumpkins, palak, apple, banana, papaya, and many kinds of beans are the sources of roughages. Outer layer of the fruit and veggies contains fiber which helps in digestion, but nowadays farmers use many pesticides in the fields. They are very dangerous for our health, so we must wash the fruits and vegetables with salt water. thoroughly, then only it becomes safe to eat them along with the peels. So here they have given here how to make a balanced diet. So the food contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in a proper proportions is called as balanced diet. So dry fruits like dates, plums, raisins, cashew nuts, pistachios, etc. also keep us healthy. If a person eats dal, rice, roti, green vegetables, little oil and jaggery, all the food requirements of the body are fulfilled. Just balancing our diet with different kinds of food is not enough. It should be cooked in a proper way. Nutrients are lost by overcooking, reheating many times, washing the vegetables after cutting them into small pieces. Foods like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. should be taken adequately. Adequately means satisfaction. Fruit, leafy vegetables and other vegetables should be used in plenty. Plenty means more than enough. And cooking oils and animals foods should be used moderately. Moderately means limited way. Vanaspati, ghee, butter, cheese must be used sparingly. Sparingly means restricted and it is taken in a small quantity. History of food and nutrition. So, until about 170 years ago, there was little scientific knowledge in the West about nutrition. The founder of modern science of nutrition was Frenchman named Lavoisier, who paved new ways to the nutrition research. In the year 1752, James Lind discovered scurvy, which could be cured or prevented by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. In 1952, it was known that diseases could be cured by eating certain kinds of foods. And in 19th century, it was known that the body obtains three substances, namely protein, fats and carbohydrates from the food. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is useful for you, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.